Today I am reviewing the GMKtec M5 Plus Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's begin with what powers this tiny beast. At the heart of the GMKtec M5 Plus is the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor, an 8-core, 16-thread CPU that can reach up to 4.5 GHz with Turbo Boost. Based on the advanced Zen 3 Plus architecture, this processor outperforms previous generations like the Ryzen 5 7430U and even the Ryzen 7 5700U by up to 35%. Whether you're using it for gaming, content creation, running virtual machines, or simply heavy multitasking, this mini PC keeps up effortlessly. And paired with that is a whopping 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, configured in dual channel, which can be upgraded to 64 GB if needed. So you're not just getting speed, you're getting serious headroom from memory-intensive apps like Photoshop, Blender, After Effects, or even when you're running multiple virtual desktops at once. Storage is equally impressive. You get a 1TB PCIe 3.0 SSD. Fast, reliable, and roomy enough to store games, software, and project files. And if that's not enough, the M5 Plus supports SSD expansion up to 4 TB, which is rare for a mini PC of this size. Now let's talk graphics. This machine is equipped with AMD Radeon graphics with 8 compute units running at 2000 MHz. For a compact device, the visual performance is surprisingly capable. Whether you're editing 4K video, playing mid-range games like Fortnite, Valorant, or Dota 2, or running multiple design applications, it holds up well. And it supports triple 4K displays at 60 Hz, thanks to its HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C DP outputs. Imagine connecting 3 monitors for immersive productivity or gaming, all from a device that fits in your palm. Connectivity is another strong point. With dual 2.5 gigabit LAN ports, you're looking at blazing fast wired internet speeds, perfect for low-latency gaming, streaming, remote work, or using the M5 Plus as a compact home server or firewall box with applications like pfSense or Untangle. On the wireless side, it's equally future-proof. With Wi-Fi 6E, you get access to the ultra-fast 6 GHz band, reducing congestion and improving connection stability, especially in smart homes or busy office networks. And with Bluetooth 5.2, your wireless peripherals like keyboards, mice, headphones, or gamepads connect faster and more reliably. Now, let's quickly look at the ports. The M5 Plus is packed with options, including 2 USB 3.2 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, HDMI 2.0, USB-C with PD and DisplayPort support, a dedicated DP port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. It's a very generous setup for such a small machine, making it easy to connect everything from external drives and webcams to sound systems and VR headsets. The operating system is Windows 11 Pro, giving you all the latest features, enhanced security, and a better layout for productivity and multitasking. And don't worry about support. GMKtec backs this mini PC with a 1-year limited warranty and a responsive customer service team that's there if you ever need help or repairs. But what about real-world performance? Well, customers love it. With over 600 reviews and an average rating of 4.3 stars, users consistently praise the M5 Plus for its speed, build quality, and value. It's also currently ranked as the #6 best-selling mini PC on Amazon, which says a lot about its popularity and user satisfaction. So who is this mini PC really for? If you're a content creator, a developer, a home office user, or even a gamer looking for a compact desktop alternative that doesn't compromise on speed, this is a fantastic choice. It's also ideal for streaming setups, home media servers, and digital signage, thanks to its compact form factor and rich display support. In short, the GMKtec M5 Plus isn't just a mini PC. It's a powerhouse in a tiny shell. It's silent, smart, and seriously fast, ready for whatever you throw at it.